Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Withdrawal. First, log into your Binance account and head to the Wallet section. From there, select Fiat and Spot to view your assets. Then, locate the specific cryptocurrency you intend to withdraw from your available balances. This ensures you're starting the process correctly and efficiently. Next, click the Withdraw button and carefully choose the appropriate network for your transaction. It's crucial to select the correct network to avoid losing funds. Then, accurately input the recipient's wallet address. Finally, enter the precise amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send, ensuring it meets any minimum withdrawal requirements. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all the withdrawal details you've entered. Confirm the recipient's address, the network selected, and the withdrawal amount. Pay close attention to the network fee, as this will be deducted from your total. After confirming everything looks correct, proceed with the necessary security verification steps, such as two-factor authentication. Once your security checks are complete, confirm the transaction to initiate the withdrawal. You can then track the status of your withdrawal in your Binance transaction history. Most cryptocurrency withdrawals are processed quickly, often arriving in the recipient's wallet within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. You'll receive a confirmation once it's successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.